Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to update Audacity to the latest version. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity on your computer, then click the Help menu at the top of the screen. From the Help menu, click Check for updates. Audacity will automatically check whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, you'll see an option to download and install the latest version. Click the Download option and wait for the installer to finish downloading. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation steps. Click Next, then Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once the update is finished, launch Audacity again. To confirm that the update was successful, click Help and then About Audacity. Here you can check the current version installed on your computer. Keeping Audacity updated gives you the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and better compatibility with Windows. If no update is available, it means you are already using the latest version of Audacity. That's how to update Audacity to the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.